Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews and Infinity of Nashua. Today we have the 2022 Infiniti Q60 Luxe. No real major changes for 22, slight trim differences. A little snowy. Sticker price here of $56,390, majestic white over stone with black accents. All right, let's go for a drive. All right, backup camera 360. Seven-speed automatic, 3-liter twin-turbo V6, producing a claimed 300 horsepower. It definitely is a little bit more. Now, I'm gonna flat out say, bear with me. So, recently I just became the inventory manager here at Infiniti of Nashua. In the transition period of taking on this role, I kind of put YouTube to the back burner until I figured out when I could film. I understand, I love this channel, but my personal life is always going to come first. So I really am kind of sorry for stepping away so abruptly, but things happen in life that you just kind of have to roll with the waves and hope for the best. And honestly, I'm the happiest I've ever been. I can't complain. So I'm going to film whenever I can. I'm just gonna put it to you that way. Daily uploads might not be a thing anymore. Every other day I can kind of see working, but I have to kind of be a little bit more selective with content when I go to film it and when I publish it, because I'm not filming nearly as much as I used to. But with that little note aside, because this is the first video I've filmed since all this happened, let's move on. Let's continue with this review. I've always been a fan of the Q60, obviously based on the same platform as the Q50. And now it's actually the same platform as the new 400Z. Same basic powertrain. So that just means that there's going to be more mods available for these, because it's the same basic motor. I don't think a lot of people talked about that when the 400, well, they just call it the Z now, came out. It's the same powertrain as the Q60 Red Sport. But nobody talked about that. Do a little kickdown test. Oh yeah. I'm a fan. I'm a fan. I love these cars, honestly. And now, I was kind of hoping I would get a demo with the new position, but I get to drive these cars so often that that's not an issue. But if I get to a point where I can afford to have a second car, I am seriously considering, like, maybe a Q50 Luxe. Just lease that out as a little daily driver. These things are that good. Nobody really talks about Infiniti, and it's so sad because I've always loved Infiniti. The cars they make are fantastic, good amount of fun to drive. Man, it's just so good. Now see, just cruising, look how comfortable this car is. I mean, yes, it's cold out. It's going to have a little bit of flat spots, so that's why it's a little bumpy, but it's a lot better than when I warmed it up. Because what was it? 7 degrees yesterday? It was brutal. Do have manual mode with the Luxe. You don't get paddle shifters. Of course, Red Sport you will. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.